numbers to 100. Two-digit numbers are made from tens and ones. Take 47 for example. 47 is made up of tens and ones. So the number 47 is made up of 4 tens and 7 ones. We can write 47 as 40 add 7. What is 58 made up of? Pause the video now before going on to hear the answer. 58 is made up of 5 tens and 8 ones. 58 can also be written as 50 add 8. You can use an abacus to show two-digit numbers. We put the tens on this column and the ones on this column. We place beads on the spikes to represent the number. For 47, we would place 4 beads on the 10 spike and 7 beads on the 1 spike. Here we have a table. 35 can be written as 30 add 5, 35 if we write it as a word, and on an abacus we put 3 tens and 5 on the 1 spike. 21, 42, and this abacus. See if you can complete the rest of the table. Pause the video while you do this, and then when you restart, I'll give you the answers. So let's start with the 21. Writing it like this would be 20 plus 1. As a word, it's 21. And as an abacus, we put 2 on the 10 spike and 1 on the 1 spike. Now let's look at 42. It's 4 and 2. 40 add 2. 4 on the 10 spike and 2 on the 1 spike. This is 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. 20 plus 7, 27. How many two-digit numbers can you make using the digits 5, 6, 4 and 1? There are 12. Here are 2 to get you started. We could use the 5 and the 6 this way round, giving us 56, and the 5 and the 6 the other way round, giving us 65. Pause the video and see if you can get the other 10. When you restart, I'll go through the answers. Using the 5 and 4 this way round, we could have 54, and the other way round 45. Using the 5 and the 1, we could get 51 or 15. Using the 6 and the 4, we could have 64 or 46. Using the 6 and the 1, 61 or 16. And using the 4 and the 1, 41 or 14. Can you put the numbers in order, smallest to largest? The number of tens is most important, followed by the number of ones. Try this now, and when you restart the video, I'll go through the answers. These 3 must come first, as they've got the lowest number of tens. When we then compare the ones, 14, then 15, then 16. So 14, 15, 16. These must come next, as the next lowest number of tens we have is 4. Then compare the ones, 1, then 5, then 6. So 41, 45, 46. These all have 5 in the tens column. The order would be 1, 4, 6, 51, 54, 56. These have a 6 in the tens column. 1, 4, 5, So 61, 64, 65. Ones are sometimes called units, so you may see tens and units referred to instead of tens and ones. So we might say that 47 is made up of 4 tens and 7 units.